Today I want to suggest one of the best sites where you want to earn an Amazon gift card, points, and lots of rewards. Hold the video till the end. Hello everyone, warm welcome to my channel, Ajay Digital World. Here you get the best tutorial on online money making tools. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making survey site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
How much money would you make using InstaGC? What exactly is Instig? InstaGC is a website that rewards you for completing deals, browsing the internet, taking surveys, watching videos, and other related activities. Since you can earn a few pennies for completing various activities, it's known as a GPT, get paid to website. If you start online earning, link in the description box. On InstaGC, how do you make money? InstaGC operates by assigning tasks to its users and sharing a portion of the fee it receives with them. On InstaGC, you can earn money by taking surveys, completing tasks and deals, and watching video advertising. One InstaGC point is worth 1 cent, and 100 points are worth $1. How many points you will receive per day is decided by how much time you are willing to spend. Some members of InstaGC claim to earn 500 to 2,000 points per day. Every day, that's $5 to $20. What exactly is an instant gift card? An instant gift card is a code for a gift card that is displayed digitally. When you redeem your points, the gift card code information appears on your device screen right away. This code can then be used online or printed for in-store use. Is it possible to use InstaGC? InstaGC is a great choice. Since its inception in 2011, InstaGC has awarded over 1,250,000 gift cards and is completely legitimate. In November of 2017, they gave out their 1 millionth gift card. What are your favorite ways to use InstaGC? Offers from InstaGC. This can be found by going to Clicks, and then clicking on the InstaGC logo. The surveys available are quick and repetitive. Tasks are updated on a regular basis, and they are often the same as the day before. Surveys normally take between 10 and 15 minutes to complete, and you can earn between 100 and 150 coins for each one. What is InstaGC and how does it work? You must earn points in order to receive free gift cards for your favorite shops. Although there are many ways to win points, it can be difficult to keep track of them all. This tutorial will show you how to get the most out of InstaGC. Watching videos, listening to online radio, visiting websites, testing applications or games, shopping, filling out surveys, and completing general tasks are all currently available ways to gain points. We're also constantly adding new ways to earn money. Both of these can be found on the Earn list. You'll be awarded points after you've completed these tasks, which you can put towards your next gift card. How long would it take you to make money? The number of points you will receive is determined by how much time and effort you dedicate to your objectives. Simply by completing such deals, you can easily gain up to 100 points or more every day. Some members can receive anywhere from 500 to 2,000 points per day. All it takes is a little patience and an open mind. If you're having trouble earning points for completed deals, check out our guide to completing offers for help and guidance. Where do I begin? The main aim here is to gain points by completing our offers and tasks. As previously mentioned, there are several ways to gain points. You'll get a free instant gift card in no time if you figure out the simplest way to earn points. Point system for InstaGC: 1 point equals 1 cent. 1 points is equal to $100. I hope you all really like this site, and if you want to start online earning with this site, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Don't forget to share and leave a comment. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Good luck.